restart. You get back. Don't feel too good. Do it.
Hey, bro. It was the shit I just found. It wasn't the shit out of my fucking butthole I've been holding on since the beginning of the game. I'm okay.
That's what you get, bitch.
Don't feel too good. That's funny. I ain't gonna lie to you. That joke got me crying. He said, "Don't feel too good." He meant that shit too.
Yup. Said that shit on my chest.
He meant that shit. No,